Welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Just recently I thought I was going to up my gaming YouTube, as they say. When I'm doing a review on a camera or some kind of product, I thought I'd add some extra lights, some coloured effects, just to jazz it up a bit, shall we say. So I was looking for some reasonably inexpensive RGB lights. So I did what we all do. Go onto YouTube, put in cheap RGB lights and see what came up. And what kept coming up were these little things. And it's the WeeyLite S03. They do an S05, which is a bit dearer. So I looked at a few reviews and yeah, they were pretty positive. Some were saying it's so bright you can have it as a key light. Well, we will see. Now, the unusual thing about this, and as you can see, it's only got one button. Got a quarter 20 on the bottom, USB-C port on the side for charging, and that's it. Nothing else. And if you switch that on, you get a white light. And it's fairly bright. Let me switch my key light off. There you go. It's fairly bright. But you can't do anything else. I can switch it off, key light back on. But yeah, you can switch it off and that's it. So how do you control it? Well, it's all controlled through your mobile phone. And you get this WeeyLite app. So how it works is quite simple. We're on channel A. We flick over the switch. That light is now attached to channel A. And if we want to change quickly those colours there, we can, or dial in our own. We've also got HSL, so we can move it around. We can do all kinds of things, and we got effects. So we can do SOS, we can do welding, flash, CT loop, change the speed, police car, TV, anything like that. Then we've got what's called a colour picker, which is quite interesting. So a colour chart there. Want the colour picker at a colour, go pick, go red. Go for the yellow, I'll go yellow. Go for the orange, it'll go orange. Light green, dark green. So you can pick any colour you want. So if we go back to, so I've got on daylight, we can put it up to full power, and we'll bring it down to 0. We can all go all the way down to 0 on it. And I saw YouTube reviews, shall we say. So it's ideal to put on a top of your camera if you're vlogging. Bit of fill light, it's great. But I see one difficulty. So you've got your camera out at arm length, either on a stick, or it's a GoPro on a GoPro stick, or you're just holding the camera and this is on top of the camera, and then you want to change the brightness, you've got to get your phone out. So it's, I've got my phone out, oh, it's going to be a bit difficult. So yes, it's fairly easy to use, and for what I wanted it for, it was ideal. Because all I wanted was to be able to pick a colour, let's say this yellow, then I got myself another one, put that on channel B, switch it on, I'll change this one to green. So now I've got one red one, one green one, and I can put these either side of whatever product I'm trying to show. I can even have them loop to get different colours. And they work a treat. Now I picked up 2 because they were doing a deal, 2 for the price of 1 on the site I went to. I don't think they're doing it anymore. Do I think these are worth the money? Yes. Build quality is very plasticky, but they weigh next to nothing. So if you are having on top of a camera, or you've got them on some kind of I've got them on a flexible arm. You can put them in different places. Are they bright enough for a key light? Yes, if your room's dark enough. Got a lot of light in the room. If I open the blinds and that, then this is barely noticeable. But yes, so you can have it as a hair light if you wanted. Easily out of shot. That works quite well. You could have it as a fill light. Alright, that's a bit too much, but yeah. And they seem to last quite a while and charge up pretty quick. So yes, I think they're worth it. If you get if you can get a deal, they're even worth it even more. Get a few of these, you can place them wherever you want. And I can put a nice coloured spot there. So as highlight lights at the back, works brilliant. So yeah, I think they're worth the money. And they're so light and easy to place. So yeah, I do. I think they're excellent. Just don't expect too much for brightness. They're too small for a key light, really. A fill light, yes, they're ideal for. And if you're vlogging, yeah, on top of the camera. But set the strength before you pick the camera up, because trying to hold the camera and trying to use the phone to get the right brightness is a little bit tricky. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and helps the channel. If you want to see more videos like that, hit the subscribe channel. Till next time, see you later.